Actually, today I'm little bit upset. Actually, you know, the present art scenario, especially in Chennai, something I don't know, something disturbing. The I saw the Facebook post of my friend Viswam that the College of Art syllabus and the university, the new syllabus they are changing. Like that, some kind of the artists are not, many of them not aware of this. They are busy with their own things, including myself. I'm in, even though I studied in Kumbakonam, College of Arts, and lived in Chennai for some time, and moved to Bangalore, and from here to Saudi Arabia, again back to Bangalore, you know, settled in Bangalore, and but always I think of Chennai, because that is my root. All my inspiration, from the artists, uh, Chennai based. Everybody, every artist, right from Roy Chaudhary, late, they were all, we don't know them, but the Gandhi statue and labor, the Uraipalar Silai in Chennai Marina, all this. Then K.C.S. Panikkar, Dhanapal sir, like that. If you see all the Cholamandal artists, many of other state artists, all studied in Chennai. Bala Nambiyar, he lives here, and S. G. Vasudev, and the Yakshi famous, the sculptor from Kerala, all so many. Even when we studied, other state, mainly from Kerala, they were studying with us. So our the importance of College of Arts, something very extraordinary. Within, actually we were studying, and it is the syllabus from British, Royal College syllabus, something like that. And we will be in the village but thinking of international artist. you know we discuss about Monet, Henry Moore sculpture, like that we discuss. So are we studied the correct thing, or is it useful for the artist? Because one thing, I'm still wondering, most of my classmates, they were not artists now. They were, most of them, I don't know them. Very few, one or two, I have contacts, and I don't know what they are doing. you know so is it the correct syllabus we studied? Okay, anyway, in my case, I did my applied art, that means commercial art, graphic design. So I got, yeah, started my career in export garments. We started painting the export garments, the backside of the women ladies jacket, the old masters, Joan of Arc, some old masters work we paint with the fabric color, and that will be sent to Goel, export dressers, and they make jacket and send like that. I started my career, and in that time, many of my friends were coming to that company as a part-time. Indiana Creations, it was in Santhom, including the great Chandru, all, even my friend Viswa, Rajagopal, and so many of Bernard, one from Santham, a very good painter. Like that, so we had like that started, the life. Then screen printing, then moved to advertising company, then moved to Visvesvaraya Museum in Bangalore. Then from here to Bharat Earth Movers Limited as a visualizer come commercial artist, grade one officer. Then with there is no job, government, it is a defense ministry. Then within a year I think I was working in a year. Then I moved to Saudi Arabia, 18 years Saudi Arabia, winning so many awards and visiting all over museums and so many things. Okay, anyway, it has happened. Returned to 2003 and started as a professional painter, artist at the age of 51. Okay, anyway, this is me. This is nothing to do with other, my colleagues, my classmates, my fellow artists. So now the problem is, see, actually, my friend Viswam, he wants everyone to join to get a clear syllabus, to follow, which is very useful for the future generation. See, we are all almost crossed, 60, 70, like that. And, another great sculptor, Karunamurthy, lives in Cholamandal. Also, he is, always worried about the future generations. And another great printmaker and, connected with the academy, Mr. R. M. Palnippan. Always, we all, worried about the future, nothing to change. These things we are always, we talk about these and how to proceed, to meet concerned officials or the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. See, one thing is we can join, but we should not do strike, like that, protest. These are all, it is not for us. Art is like divine. The other day I was seeing Geeta Hudson, who makes documentaries of so many artists, so many artists, including, Veera Santanam and Alfonso and all these masters. And I saw the film on Chandru, the ex principal and my very good friend. As I told, we worked in Indiana Creations, initially 1975, something like that. When I saw the film, it's a wonderful documentary actually. Geeta is, always she does very sincerely. And in this one, since after his graduation, Chandru worked in the Department of Archaeology and something, and his assignment was some of the Chisanavasal, the paintings to copy in the sense seeing and making the drawing, to document, and some of the temples, the old sculptures, Kalugumalai, and some places he himself visits and he sits there and he makes the drawing and like that. And she just following wherever he goes, what he thinks and what he talks. It was wonderful, to see the document. And in one statement, I like his statement is the worshipping. Actually, he was sitting the 63 nine Mars, they were, the Shaivites, Shiva, this one. They did so many things. But what he says, the worshipping is not their profession, and they were all working somewhere. They may be potter, the field worker and the fisherman, something like that. They are all, and they were worshipping also. They were spreading the Shiva, divine, lifestyle, and they were honestly working. Similarly, music and art also, it is divine. This is what he wanted to say. See, it is not a profession. It is like he actually. When I saw that, um, I really surprised. Is he the same Chandru what I saw? A young, like a bull. The man. He is the same Chandru. That much maturity. You know, uh, with the cut T-shirt, like one towel, white dhoti. Sometimes the towel is in the head, and when he talks, he mixed with the nature. He is not at all bothered whether they are filming or they are listening. No, he says what it comes like a flow. I really surprised. So that is why, even for us, the artist, we paint. Uh, we the color and the canvas and ourselves. It is like a divine. It is like a meditation. Like I always say, my friend Viswam, he says, if I stop in between, I feel guilty. I have to complete. This is his attitude, something like that. So even for me also, I when I paint, I want silent. See, many of them, they will listen music and they paint and this. So music is another important things for my life. So I will not listen any music when I work. So when I work, my this one keep silent, and because I have to concentrate my collage, I have to tear perfectly. There is no drawing base. Just like that, I make my tearing is the drawing and keep and this like that. So this whole thing is a process. It is visiting a temple, visiting talking, chatting with your mother, chatting with your daughter, wife. It is like that. It is some kind of heavenly feeling. It is something when you see a beautiful seaside and a river and the forest, when you walk inside, it is like that. So now I was thinking, maybe till 12 o'clock in the night, how we will solve such a problem, and who will discuss, who will initiate. So one solution, what I thought, together all the seniors, with calling, or with some kind of exchange ideas, a simple solution we have to prepare, and straight away we have to meet Honorable Chief Minister Sri Edapadi Panichami, to explain. Definitely, he will, accept, and he will do what is exactly necessary, for the future generation. See, we are all, most of us, we are all settled, and settled in the sense, we have our own things. We are, in other words, actually we are trapped. We cannot escape in this trap, whether it is a fame or struggle or whatever, the other extreme. But what this one is, again, knowingly or unknowingly, our exposure through College of Arts, it is a global exposure. We can enjoy Modigliani painting, Jackson Pollock painting, Victor Vasarely, work, Henry Moore sculpture, uh, P.V. Janagiraman owl, S.G. Vidyasankar Stabadi's Brahma, Mithuna, Dakshinamurthi's, the women head in a hard stone, like that. Even the present generation, what a wonderful work the Vijay Pichumani, or some another Ilanjerian Pichai Kannu, what a sculpture he made. It is, the one was in the India Art Fair in Delhi. beautiful. It is like a globe like that, and all the sculptures, and all welded, and something like that. Very unusual. Very actually, it is the standard of international standard. More than that, what you want? Pichumani's display, international standard. What else you want? Even Bodhisattva installation or the huge collage. It's a big surprise. See, the good thing, we are all doing very, very great thing, winning awards. The only one from our Kumbakonam College of Arts national award winner is Viswam. See, the importance, it is not that I am always Viswam telling that means he is my close friend. No, he is on the scene, you know people may have a difference of opinion, but he is with the colors. When you go near him, you can smell the linseed oil colors, all. You see, that means what this is. See, end of the day, we have to, we are doing it, and we will continuously do till the end, and till the end, and we are in the process, everything is okay, but we have to see the future generations. Otherwise, they will blame us, what these guys did, why they spoiled the entire scenario of Madras art movement, whatever you call it. Okay, so we are responsible. Better we have to collectively we have to do something. So let this, even this art talk, mainly for the Chennai based artists, seniors, juniors, everyone, doing magazine illustrations, or even the signboard painters, all they should think something, and they have to come forward and share their idea. Then we have to meet our CM to solve this problem. Okay, nice for listening. Thank you. Take care. Let us see another episode, with another topic. Okay, bye.